Let me guess. You've promised yourself a fresh start at least 12 times this year. You swore this would be the week. But here you are again, stuck in the loop. The truth? You don't need a new life plan. You need one habit. Just one. And I'll tell you exactly what it is, and why it works. In a way no one else will. Motivation videos scream, "Wake up at 5 a.m." Gurus tell you to grind until your eyes bleed. And yet, most of us feel more exhausted than ever. So what gives? The problem isn't your laziness. It's that you're trying to build a mansion on sand. Without one solid habit, one mental anchor, everything crumbles. Today, we go deep. Not just into what that habit is, but why it works, how your brain responds, and how you can make it stick. For real this time. The habit? Intentional reflection. Every night. 5 minutes. No excuses. A single page. What did I do today? What did I avoid? What did I learn? What do I need tomorrow? That's it. Not glamorous, not TikTok-worthy. But this habit quietly rewires your brain. It turns chaos into order. It shifts you from reactive to reflective. And most importantly, it gives your future self a blueprint. Let's sneak in some neuroscience. Don't worry, I'll make it painless. When you write about your day, you're engaging the prefrontal cortex, the decision-making CEO of your brain. You're pulling your experiences out of the emotional fog and into logical clarity. That one line? That's a therapy session in disguise. Suddenly, you're not a failure. You're just a human with a reason. And reasons can be fixed. Emotion becomes data. Data becomes action. This is ancient wisdom, not just modern science. Your journal isn't just paper, it's a map. And the more you use it, the more your days become yours. Look, I've written things like, ate 3 slices of cake and called it dinner. Or, didn't open my laptop, claimed it was a digital detox. Reflection isn't about being perfect, it's about being honest. And once you get honest with yourself consistently, change becomes automatic. One night you write, "I wasted today." Next night, "I got up 10 minutes earlier." That's momentum. That's your life turning around. Quietly, slowly, but surely. Habits are built through repetition and reward. Reflection gives you both. You reflect, realize, and reset. It creates a daily feedback loop that no planner, app, or influencer can give you. You become your own coach, your own critic, your own motivator. So, what should you do tonight? Take out your notes app or a crumpled notebook and just answer those 4 questions. Don't wait for January or Monday or motivation. This is the signal in the noise, the small action that builds a massive identity shift. If you want more than hype, if you want real daily steps, this channel is for you. We don't scream, we reflect. And if that sounds like the kind of growth you want, hit subscribe. Come back tomorrow and write your future, one line at a time.